In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Subscript in Google Vids. Whether you're preparing a presentation, creating educational content, or adding a scientific touch to your videos, mastering the use of Subscript in Google Vids can enhance the readability and professionalism of your work. Subscript, typically used for formulas, chemical compounds, and references, is a critical feature for certain fields, and Google Vids makes incorporating it into your projects seamlessly easy. So let's get started with the process. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Vids. Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace, a suite of tools designed to foster collaboration and innovation. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or a seasoned user, navigating to Google Vids is straightforward. Simply type in the URL or search for Google Vids and you'll be directed to its landing page. Once you're on the Google Vids website, the next step is to sign in. Click on the Sign In button located on the website. If you're already signed into your Google account, this could be a seamless process. Otherwise, you might be prompted to enter your credentials. It's just like logging into your Gmail or Google Drive, straightforward and secure. After successfully logging in, choose the Google account you wish to use with Google Vids. Many of us juggle multiple Google accounts for personal, work, or educational purposes. Be sure to select the account associated with the project you're working on. This ensures that all your work stays organized under the right account, making sharing and collaboration much easier down the line. Having selected your account, you're now ready to dive into the creative part. Start by opening the video project where you want to add Subscript text. Then carefully highlight the specific text you wish to format as Subscript. Maybe it's the chemical formula for water, H2O, or an important mathematical expression. By highlighting the text, you're signaling to Google Vids precisely which section of your content needs to be altered. Next, navigate to the Format section located in the top menu. This is where Google Vids packs a lot of its text editing magic. The Format section is intuitive, allowing you to explore various formatting options that can elevate the quality and clarity of your text within videos. Once you've expanded the Format menu, look for the Text option. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu filled with different text formatting choices. This menu is your gateway to transforming plain text into something more visually compelling and appropriate for your video's content. Finally, within the Text drop-down, you'll find the Subscript option. This is where the magic happens. With a simple click, the highlighted text will be converted into Subscript. This means that your selected text will appear slightly lower than the main text line, usually in a smaller size, perfectly fitting into standard typesetting norms for certain elements like the aforementioned chemical formulas or mathematical expressions. And that's it. You've successfully added Subscript to your text in Google Vids. With these steps, you can enhance the educational value, professionalism, and clarity of your projects. Don't be afraid to experiment with Subscript to see how it can best serve your content's needs. Here's a tip before we wrap up. Consistency is key in creating professional-looking videos. When incorporating elements like Subscript, make sure to use them consistently across your project. This not only helps in maintaining a clean look, but also aids in viewer comprehension. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Exploring Google Vids and its diverse set of features can significantly impact how you produce and present content. Subscript is just the start. Delve deeper, and you'll find a wealth of options to bring your video projects to life. Remember, whether you are explaining complex scientific concepts or anything that requires precision in presentation, the ability to add Subscript in Google Vids is an invaluable skill in your content creation toolbox. Thank you for joining me today. Keep exploring, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.